So good day guys, this video is just about to get the MP point with few amount of ton. So go to N, go to on-chain tasks, then trade any token in Blum, click on start. If yours is not working, just click on menu there and then click on trade. So after that, this is your ton wallet, tap on it to copy it. So once you tap on it, go to your ton keeper or anywhere you have ton and then to transfer ton. Now please, for the purpose of, because you just buy and sell, so you just transfer a minimum of 0.2 ton to avoid transferring 2 times. So just transfer a minimum of 0.2 ton. So click on confirm, just put in your pin and then you're good to go. So let's go back to Telegram. Let's wait for it to load, for it to appear, sorry. Let's go back, let's scroll up. Okay, it has come. So now we want to go and buy a token, any token that's listed. So click on position token. As you can see, nothing is working. If it is not working, tap on that backup to go to the second bot. So by the time click on start, Blum new, then tap on any coin of your choice, any token of your choice, then click on set by amount. Click, then set the amount to 0.1 ton. As you can see, it has reflected. So click on buy. As you can see, it's processing. So as you can see, it's done. Yours may take some seconds. So let's go and claim the points first before we come back to sell the token. So if you want to keep it, you can keep it. If you want to sell, you can sell. I will also cover that in this video. So let's go back to Blum. Click on N and then go to on-chain and then you can see claim. So we've claimed 3000 MP. So we're good to go. So let me go back to the bot in order to sell the token. So click on that sell this thing. As you can see, they're showing me insufficient balance. That's why you have to transfer at least 0.2 ton, so that by the time you buy the token, you can be able to sell it immediately. So if your ton is not enough, just go back and then deposit more ton so that I can be able to sell token. So I will go back to my ton keeper to deposit. Okay, so in order to sell the token and also to move out the ton from that wallet, from the Blum wallet to my ton keeper, I just need to send amount of ton that will be sufficient. So let me put in my pin. Okay, as you can see, it's done. So let me go back, main menu. The purpose of this is for the ton we deposited to reflect. So it has reflected. Now click on buy and sell, click on positions. So we want to locate the coin that we bought. As you can see, is here. So click on it, set sell amount if yours is not to 100%. So click on sell, wait for a few seconds, then you can see done. So go back to main menu. Now as you can see the ton. So click on wallet. If you want to transfer it out, click on ton wallet and then click on withdraw all ton. Then just put in your address there, then click on confirm withdrawal. Please, if you are sending to exchange, set the memo for those exchanges that has memo then. So let's wait for confirmation. I think it should be done by now. Okay, yes, that's reflected. So look at it. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.